we have to talk about the vivisections. This is the part of the history that is hardest to stomach, but it is central to understanding the depravity of the unit. The doctors believed that the process of decomposition, or even the use of anesthesia, would taint the results of their research. Therefore, they performed many surgeries, removing organs, limbs, or sections of the brain, while the victim was fully conscious. One former member of the unit described a typical procedure. A prisoner would be strapped down, screaming. A doctor would stuff a towel into their mouth, and with one quick slice of the scalpel, open them from the chest to the groin. They wanted to see the live progression of diseases. They would infect a prisoner with the plague, wait a few days, and then cut them open to see what the lungs looked like while the heart was still beating. They also performed surgical practice on healthy prisoners. They would amputate limbs and attempted to reattach them to the opposite side of the body. They would remove the stomach and sew the esophagus directly to the intestines to see if the subject could still digest food. In some cases, parts of the liver or brain were removed piecemeal over several days to see how long a human could survive while their internal systems were systematically dismantled. Unit 731 wasn't just a lab, it was an arsenal. They developed plague bombs, porcelain shells filled with fleas that had been fed on plague-infected rats. In the early 1940s, Japanese aircraft flew over cities like Ningbo and Changde, dropping these porcelain bombs along with contaminated grain and cotton. The experiments didn't just happen in white-tiled rooms. At the Onda testing site,